Slice!
You would have had it!
Get this weapon and then I'll cut it!
Oh my god! You guys are weird!
This is home base. You can't get me here.
The staring is so basically get me over here.
Where is he?
Get them right there.
Home base.
I don't want to play anymore.
Maddie, shit. I don't want to play no more.
Scotty's just kicking ass over here.
Hey, get out of here. This is a one-on-one match. Go fuck with Mikey. Take a break.
You guys need to make yourself some helmets and stuff. There they go. Look at them over there.
Plus, if you cut one down, you gotta whip.
You guys are freaking